From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name shall be praised. Jah, Jah, light shine, shine on me. When the night gets heavy and my heart feels torn, I call upon the Father who carried me from the storm. Oh Lord, I've been broken, I've been down on my knees, but every time I call you, you send your peace. Jah, light shine on me, yeah. Set this spirit free, oh. Wash away my pain, make me whole again. Jah, light shine on me, shine on me. Fill my soul with peace. Forever I'll be yours, my heart you will restore. I walked through fire, walked through rain, carried my guilt, carried my shame, but mercy found me, love surrounded me. You said, my child, you belong to me. I could have lost it all, but you pulled me near, whispered, don't be afraid, I am here. Now my chains are gone, my soul reborn. In your holy light I'm strong. Jah, light shine on me, lift me high, set me free. Every tear I cry you see. Jah, light shine on me. 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 When I was weak, you gave me strength. When I was lost, you came again. When I was blind, you made me see that your love is the truth that lives in me. Oh, I feel your fire burning deep within my soul. Your spirit keep on turning, making broken hearts roar. Lead your love, response, sweet love divine. Lead your grace, forever mine. Your mercy, wash me clean. Lead your girl, raising me. Now every morning I rise, give thanks and lift my eyes to the heavens where my blessings flow from the one who loves me so. I was walking in the darkness, but now I see the light. You turn my pain to purpose, my wrongs into what's right. Jah, light shine on me. Your love has set me free. You broke the chains of misery. Now I live in victory. Jah, light shine on me. Oh yeah. Forever I will be a child of faith and liberty. Your spirit lives in me. Jah, light shine on me. Jah, light shine on me. Jah, light shine on me. Ooh, Jah, Jah, your presence feels like rain on my soul. Wash me clean, make me whole. No mountain too high, no valley too low. Your river of love forever will flow. People ask me why I smile so wide, even when the storm is high. I say it's not me, it's the spirit inside. Jah, love, keep me alive. He took my sorrow, turned it to song. He gave me courage to carry on. Every step I take, I feel His grace. Every moment I see His face. you glory, we give you honor. For every breath, for every sunrise, your light is life. Forever we praise your holy name.
Clouds so heavy, sky so gray, feet stuck deep in the clay, searching for the light somewhere far away. Oh, rise, feel the fire inside, rising higher through the storm, rising higher, new day born, rising higher, lift my soul, higher and higher, make me whole. River flows through the pain, washing clean this old stain. Hope still whispers through the rain. Oh, rise, feel the fire inside, rising higher through the storm, rising higher, new day born, rising higher, lift my soul, higher and higher, make me whole. Through the valley, when I walk through the valleys, you are my guide and stay. When the night grows darker, you turn my night to day. You hold my hand in weakness, you lift me when I fall. In you I find my purpose, in you I have it all. Jesus, my Redeemer, my shelter and my friend. Your love is everlasting, it knows no start or end. In the silence of the morning, I hear your whisper low. Be still, my child, I'm with you through every high and low. Your peace surrounds my spirit, your joy fills up my soul. You are my rock eternal, the one who makes me whole. Faithful, Lord, through storms and raging waters, your mercy leads the way. When doubt begins to shadow, your truth becomes my stay. You've written all my story before my days began. I'll trust you with tomorrow, I'll rest within your plan. I will worship you, I lift my eyes to heaven, where grace and glory shine. My heart beats out this rhythm, you are always with me, my Savior by my side. 5, Lord, you are my home. You are the calm within my storm, the strength when I am weak, the peace that floods my weary soul, the voice through which you speak. When all the world grows silent, your presence fills the air. I know you're here beside me, I feel your tender care. It's everlasting love, oh Lord, you never leave me. Your promise stands secure, your faithfulness surrounds me, your mercy will endure. No power can ever take me from the love that you have shown. I'm safe within your presence, I'm yours and yours alone. 7 hands of grace, your hands have shaped the heavens, your breath gave life to man, and yet you stooped to hold me, to lift me where I stand. The stars obey your whisper, the seas bow to your call, but you still call me child, Lord. You gave your life my all. All I have is yours. Take my heart, Lord, mold it. Take my will, make it yours. For all I have is nothing without your open doors. My soul delights in serving, my life belongs to you. Each day I'll keep on singing your love forever true. And God is my provider. You feed the birds of heaven, you clothe the fields with grace, and still you call me precious. You lift my tear-stained face. You never fail to bless me, you never turn away. Jehovah Jireh, Father, my hope, my song, my stay. 10 walking in his light, step by step I follow. Wherever you may go, your word becomes my lantern, your truth the path I know. Though darkness tries to tempt me, I walk by faith, not sight. For Jesus lights my journey and turns my wrongs to right. 11, let your glory fall. Come Spirit, breathe upon us. Let fire fill this place. Renew our hearts with power. Surround us with your grace. We long to see your glory, to see your kingdom come. Until that day in heaven, we'll worship you as one. Felt my heart will trust, though pain and loss surround me, and tears fall through the night. I lift my eyes to Jesus, who turns my dark to light. He knows my every heartbeat, he holds my every fear, and whispers I am with you, my child, I'm always near. 13, overflowing joy. Now I stand forgiven, redeemed by mercy's hand. Your grace has made me righteous, in Christ I firmly stand. My heart will sing forever until my race is done. All glory to the Father, the Spirit and the Son.
From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name shall be praised. Ah, your light shine, shine on me. When the night gets heavy and my heart feels torn, I call upon the Father who carried me from storm. Oh Lord, I've been broken, I've been down on my knees, but every time I call you, you send your peace on me. Your light shine on me, yeah. Set this spirit free. Oh, wash away my pain, make me whole again. Your light shine on me now. All my soul with peace. Forever I'll be yours. My heart you will restore. I walk through fire, walk through rain, carried my guilt, carried my shame, but mercy found me, love surrounded me. You said, my child, you belong to me. I could have lost it all, but you pulled me near, whispered, don't be afraid, I am here. Now my chains are gone, my soul reborn, in your holy light I'm strong. Your light shine on me, lift me high, set me free. Every tear I cry, you see. Your light shine on me. When I was weak, you gave me strength. When I was lost, you came again. When I was blind, you made me see that your love is the truth that lives in me. Oh, I feel your fire burning deep within my soul. Your spirit keep on turning, making broken hearts whole. Judge your love, this sweet light divine, forever mine. Judge your mercy, wash me clean. Judge your mercy, reign in me. Now every morning I rise, give thanks and lift my eyes to the heavens where my blessings flow, from the one who loves me so. I was walking in the darkness, but now I see the light. You turned my pain to purpose, my wrongs into what's right. Your light shine on me, your love has set me free. You broke the chains of misery, now I live in victory. Your light shine on me, oh yeah. Forever I will be a child of faith and liberty. Your spirit lives in me. Jah, Jah, your presence feels like rain on my soul. Wash me clean, make me whole. No mountain too high, no valley too low. Your river of love forever will flow. People ask me why I smile so wide, even when the storm is high. I say it's not me, it's the spirit inside. Your love keep me alive. He took my sorrow, turned it to song. He gave me courage to carry on. Every step I take, I feel His grace. Every moment I see His face. Your light shine on me, shine on me. Set them free. Let your fire flow across the sea. Your truth for all to see. Your light shine on me. Heal this world in need. honor. For every breath, for every sunrise, your light is warming me. Forever we praise your holy name. Selah.